If you are looking forward to become a 3D artist, Blender for Beginners is for you. This tutorial is made for beginners and we are going to learn from scratch. So in this tutorial or in this series, we are going to look at introduction to Blender. So in this part, we will look at how to download and install Blender, the Blender overview, looking at the interface and the basic navigation tools like how to move objects around. And in the second part, we are going to look at the 3D models fundamentals like understanding vertices, edges and faces, and basic techniques like extrude, which are crucial for 3D modeling. From there, we are going to look at working with objects like creating and manipulating objects. For instance, I'll use a simple shape like cylinder to create the Coca-Cola can bottle. So this is what we are going to do. And in the last part 1 episode, we are going to look at texturing and materials. So what basically this means is that how to apply colors and labels and other stuff for your object to look realistic. And the last part for this series is lightning and rendering. So you look at basic lightning setup and some settings that you need to do to get a realistic render. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you in the next episode.